Step inside a vibrant Southampton retreat where bold blues echo the sea and sky. Double-height rooms, custom furnishings, vintage finds, and nautical touches create a joyful blend of tradition and modern comfort, designed for relaxed, full-hearted living. The entry gallery boasts custom seating inspired by vintage English garden benches, paired with 18th century chests, and a custom trellis carpet that offers a peaceful color and pattern. Anthony Baratta's design for a traditional Southampton home embraces a vibrant and serene aesthetic, departing from the typical subdued beach house feel. The predominant color palette is inspired by the Hamptons' natural surroundings, featuring a generous use of various shades of blue, reminiscent of the sun, beach, sky, sand, and water. The interiors often combine grand architectural elements, such as double-height living rooms with two overscaled fireplaces, with plush, comfortable seating. Custom furnishings designed by Baratta himself frequently blend traditional lines with a modern sensibility, always incorporating a bold dose of color. The home also features a careful integration of vintage pieces and spectacular antiques, with some items sourced from overseas, adding a rich, warm patina. Circular windows are strategically placed to maximize light flow between rooms. This particular oval dining room is beautifully illuminated by antique Dutch chandeliers. The master bedroom features soft blue walls and a soaring ceiling, with a nautical telescope pointed toward a nearby pond. Even the clawfoot tub in the master bath is custom painted a soft blue, emphasizing the white millwork and garden views. Porches off the living spaces are furnished with wrought tan pieces, enhancing the connection between indoors and the Hamptons' outdoor charm. The overall design creates a joyful, pattern-filled, and life-affirming environment where family life is celebrated to the fullest.